Hey everyone, Craftsman exterior remodeling on a roof inspection here in the Fishers area, Geist area, and I'm coming on to share a educational video as we get some questions often around storm damage and what wind damage looks like rather than hail damage. So what we're on today is a 3-tab roof. So this is a older style roofing system. A lot of manufacturers are going away from this type of shingle. The 3-tab system is an inferior product to the laminates. Wind can and often damages these 3-tab shingles. And what I'm going to show you today, after some time, you have 10 to 15 years with a 3-tab roof. This is some of the areas that from the ground level you're not going to necessarily see, but it is a very vulnerable area for the roof. So we come right through here. You can see this shingle. So this is the overlay tab, and what we have is a crease that's coming on the top of the shingle. You can see where granules are missing. It looks kind of like somebody's dug in with a key or something sharp and created this. That's simply because here where this shingle has an asphalt sealant to help keep it adhered down after some time, or if there's multiple bad windstorms, what can happen is that seal breaks. So now you can see once that seal breaks, now your shingle can flap up. So this is the asphalt that I'm talking about. So there's some on the back side of this. It's a modified sealant, and there's some here. So those two bond together once it's installed, and it creates a seal. Once that seal's broke, it comes apart, and then once we get a windstorm that comes through, a constant force is this. So this shingle is constantly flapping, and then as you can see, as I flap this shingle, you can see how it creates that crease. Now we're going to secure this back for the homeowner, put some sealant on there for a temporary repair. But what happens is you have, this roof is being replaced anyways, but what you have is now this area of the shingle, water can get underneath there, can get in and around this nail. It's coming in now to the roofing deck. This has felt paper on it, so felt absorbs that water, and then once it gets absorbed, now it's absorbing into your roof deck, could create leaks. And then an area that most don't see until it's too late is your decking gets compromised, and it could cause nails start to pop out your roof, shingles to blow off. So very important to have your roof inspected every few years, especially after major storms, just to ensure that you are clear of this, because like I said, you're not going to see this as a homeowner from the ground level. You're going to want a professional come and give you a actual inspection who is certified in doing so. So I just want to pop on again and share that because we get a lot of questions. So thanks for tuning in. Craftsman Exterior Remodeling.